Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening the contact list. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and then tap on edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. Now let's tap on add picture or the circle, and here you've got three different sections from which you can choose the picture from. So device photos, your own gallery, and the camera, so you can open the camera app to take a photo of someone who's in front of you. Google Photos, where you've got your backed up photos, and illustrations, which are free of charge, and you can use them especially in the situation if you do not have the photo of the person whose contact you'd like to customize. All you have to do is to find the proper icon and use it. So just tap on it, and here you've got some presets, so different colors which you can use and choose. You can also zoom it in or out and change the position of the photo, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area is responsible for it. So just tap on choose if you're ready, and tap on save to save the whole contact. And this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.